This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake, then switch on the ignition, select first gear and engage the diff lock. Switch off the ignition. Place chocks each side of the front wheel. Pull the cover from the anti-theft wheel nut where fitted, then slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn using the special anti-theft nut tool where necessary. Chock the wheel diagonally opposite to the one being changed. Locate the jack arm into the reinforced hole in the chassis, then wind the jack spindle clockwise until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully slacken the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Undo the retaining nuts and remove the spare wheel from the carrier. Locate the wheel over the studs on the hub, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Fully tighten the wheel nuts. Refit the cover over the anti-theft wheel nut and, where applicable, transfer the center cap. Stow the spare wheel on the carrier, then securely tighten the retaining nuts. Select neutral and disengage the diff lock. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.